Show me how you do your hula hoop.
How do it?
You gotta spin it around your belly.
How do it?
Mommy couldn't do it, I tried. That one's too small for me.
Yep.
What's today?
Yeah.
It's Easter.
Yep.
Easter 2011.
Liv, you want a Easter egg tattoo on your cheek?
Oh, you want a tattoo?
Yeah.
Let's go get a tattoo. Yummy tattoo?
Let's do a dragonfly.
Dragonfly? Your hair is crazy in the back.
Okay, careful. I need to get a washcloth. And then we can get wet. Oh. There we go.
Daddy's getting a washcloth so you can put your tattoo on. Probably don't need to put it on her face. Put it on her arm.
She doesn't want a tattoo on her. Doesn't want a teardrop below her eye.
Daddy's gotta get a washcloth so you can put your tattoo on. What's on your shirt? You have a boo-boo?
Yeah.
Let me see. Where's your boo-boo?
Right there.
I don't see a boo-boo. I don't see any boo-boos.
Okay. Where do you want it to go? Up top here?
Make sure it's facing the right direction.
Okay, we gotta hold for 30 seconds, it said.
Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Start over again.
Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Think it's long enough?
Nope, it said don't hurry.
One more time. Let's count to 10 one more time. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
1,
2.
table, counter,
Counter, yeah. 3,
floor,
4,
flower,
5.
flower,
Flower.
flower.
6.
I said,
Hi, sweetie.
7, 8, 9, 10. I think we've done 30 seconds now. Let's see if it's ready. Ooh, look. Let me see. Let me look at your pretty. Oh, look at that tattoo.
Wow.
Olivia's first tattoo.
You're a hardened criminal with that thing. Don't break.
No, don't take it off.
Mommy.
Let me see it. You
No.
don't like it?
No.
Oh, you took it off.
Okay, well, so much for that.
What's this, Mommy?
It's the dragonfly.